Good morning, students. Today we solve the last two question of exercise 3.3. Last two question. Both are very important question. Cos 4x is equal to 1 minus 8 sin square x cos square x. The left hand side, that is cos 4x. Cos 4x you can write 2 into 2x. 2 into 2x. Formula cos 2x, apply this formula here. Cos 2a is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square a. Apply this formula. Cos 2a, there are four formulae. So we apply this formula here. When you compare this with this, when you compare what is the value of a? A is equal to 2x. A is equal to 2x. Then 1 minus 2 sin square 2x. Again formula 2 sin square 2x. Sin 2x formula Sin 2x 2 sin x cos x all square. This is the formula of sin 2x. Sin 2x. Now solve. When you multiply 2 times, it becomes 4 sin square x cos square x. 4 to the 8 sin square x cos square x. That is right hand side. This is the solution of question number 24. Clear? In this question we use these two formulae. Cos 2a is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square a, and here we apply formula sin 2x. Sin 2x 2 sin x cos x. These two formulae we apply in this question. Clear? Now we solve question number 25. We solve question number 25. Same procedure. Left hand side, that is cos 6x is equal to, you can write cos 2 into 3x. Apply formula here. Cos 2a in the form of cos 2 cos square a minus 1. Apply this formula here. Because you know that according to the situations we apply the formula. The cos 2x, there are four formulae. First, cos square x minus sin square x. Second, 2 cos square a minus sin minus 1. And the third one minus 2 sin square x. And the fourth one 1 minus tan square upon 1 plus tan square. But according to the situation, the right hand side, all the term in the form of cos, then we apply this formula which is in the form of cos. Now you can say that is 2 cos square 3x minus 1, and here you can write cos 3x all square minus 1. Again formula cos 3x formula, that is 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. Apply this formula. Apply this formula here. You know that cos 3x that is equal to 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x whole square minus 1. Now apply identity a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square, that is a square plus b square minus 2ab. That is 2 here as it is. And the square of this, that is 16 cos to the power 6x plus 9, the square of this, 9 cos square x minus 2ab. 2 into this into this. 2 into 4, 8 3 the 24. 24 cos cube x into this cos to the power 4x. When you multiply by 2 whole complete, 16 to the 32 cos to the power 6x plus 9 to the 18 cos square x, 24 to the 48 cos to the power 4x minus 1. Now you can match. This is the right hand side of this question. Very important question. If you know about these two formula, cos 2a and cos 3x, then you can solve this question. Clear? Now we solve one or two extra question. Correct? Now we solve one or two extra question of this type. And the question number 1, tan 50 is equal to tan 40 plus 2 tan 10. Clear? This is the extra question, not in exercise 3.3. Clear? But very important question. Another book. Here the situation is 50 is equal to 40 plus 10. 50 is equal to 40 plus 10. There is the trick in this question. Now taking tan both sides. Taking tan both sides, tan 50 is equal to tan 40 plus 10. Now here apply identity tan x plus y formula. Formula you know, tan x plus y, that is equal to tan x plus tan y upon 1 minus tan x tan y. You can apply this formula. Clear in this question? Apply here. Tan 40 plus tan degree divided by 1 minus tan 40 into tan degree. Clear? Simple formula. Correct? Now the cross multiply. And after cross multiply, what is the situation? Cross multiply. That is tan 50 into tan 50 into 1 tan 50, and the tan 50 into this as it is tan 50 tan 40 tan, and this side as it is, that is tan 40 plus tan degree. Clear? Now further simplify. You know that tan 50 minus, in class 10th you solve this type of question, tan 50 into tan 40. If their sum is 90, 50 and 40 90, if their sum is 90, then you can break the one term only. That is, in place of 50, can you write 90 minus 40? And this tan 40 as it is, tan as it is, tan 40 plus tan degree. Clear? Now, this is tan 50, the tan 90 minus theta formula. Tan 90 minus theta. Formula, you know, tan 90 minus theta. in class 10, simple formula, because it lies in the first quadrant and it is a case of 90, therefore the t ratio will be changed and the tan change into cot. Therefore you can write cot theta. I apply this formula here. According to this formula, that is cot 40 and tan 40, and this tan as it is, that is equal to tan 40 plus tan 10 degree. Now solve here. Tan 50. Now cot theta into tan theta, that is 1 already, you know. Cot theta into tan theta formula. Cot theta into tan theta 1. Then you can write here 1 into tan 10, that is tan 10, that is equal to tan 40 plus tan 10. Tan 50. Shift this term to the right hand side. Both are like term. When this term shifted to here, then tan 10 plus tan 10, that is twice of tan 10. Twice of tan 10. This is the solution of question number 1. This is the extra question. Very important question. Clear? Now we solve next question. Now it's solved. Next question. Can you solve this question? Second, cot 2x plus tan x, that is equal to cosec 2x. Cosec 2x. Can you solve this question? On the left hand side, prove that. Left hand side, cot 2x plus tan x. Cot 2x plus tan x. Write in the simplest form. Already you know cot theta is equal to cos by sin theta. You can write here cos 2x by sin 2x. And here you can write sin x by cos x. Now take LCM. This is the simplest form. What is the LCM of this question? Sin 2x cos x. Sin 2x cos 2x. Sin 2x cos x divided by sin x, then this term will cancel. Here remaining term is cos x. Cos x into this. When this is divided by this term will cancel, and cos x multiply this. That is the cos 2x into cos x plus. Similarly case here, that is sin 2x into sin x. Now we apply here formula. You know very well. Cos x cos y plus sin x sin y. This is the formula. Cos x cos y plus sin x sin y. Can you think? Cos x cos y plus sin x sin y. Revise. trigonometric formula daily, revise 2 times a day. This is the formula, that is cos x minus y. Cos x minus y. This is the formula. We apply this formula here. Cos 2x minus x divided by sin 2x cos x. Cos 2x minus x, that is cos x by sin 2x cos x. This term will cancel. 1 upon sin 2x. And 1 upon sin theta, you know? 1 upon sin theta, cos sec theta. That is equal to cos sec theta. That is right hand side. Clear? Now we solve one more question. This is simple question. Second. Third question. These are extra question based on the exercise 3.3. These are extra question based on the exercise 3.3. Now can you solve this question? If, question number third, if 8x is equal to pi, then show that cos 7x plus cos x is equal to 0. Can you solve this question? Yes, try to solve. There are many ways to solve these questions. Very easy question, simple 1 mark question, very important. 1 mark question. Left hand side, that is cos 7x plus cos x. In place of cos 7x, from this relation, you know that 8x, it means 7x plus x is equal to pi. Therefore 7x is equal to pi minus x. Put this result here. You can break this 8x, you can write 7x plus x. So from this result you can find out the value of 7x. Put this value here, pi minus x plus cos x. Now can you tell me the formula cos pi minus theta? Cos pi minus theta formula. Pi minus theta lies in the second quadrant. Cos pi minus theta lies in the second quadrant, and in second quadrant sin and cosec are positive, and it is the case of 180, therefore T ratio not changed as it is. It means you can see like this. This is the formula. You can write according to that formula, that is minus cos x plus cos x, that is 0, right hand side. Clear? This is question number 3rd. Now we solve question number 4. Sin square pi by 8 plus x by 2 minus sin square pi by 8 minus x by 2. Simplify this. Simplify. Simplify the question. Already I have told you the formula, that is sin square A minus sin square B. Formula is sine A plus B and sine A minus B. This is the formula. Correct? Sine square minus sine square B, that is sine A plus B into sine A minus B. This is the formula, very important formula. We apply this formula in this question. This is the sine square A, this is complete A and this is complete B. Apply this formula. That is sine A plus B, that is pi by 8 plus x by 2 plus pi by 8 minus x by 2. And here sine A minus B, that is pi by 8 plus x by 2 minus pi by 8 plus x by 2. When you simplify the question, x by 2 cancel, here pi by 8 cancel. Now pi by 8 plus pi by 8. Can you tell me pi by 8 plus pi by 8? Think. Pi by 8 plus pi by 8. That is pi by 4. Simple pi by 4. And here that is sin x. Now can you tell me the value of sine pi by 4? Sine 45. Sine 45. Who can tell? Sine 45, that is 1 by root 2 into sine x. This is the answer of this question. Clear? So this is the last question. Now your homework. Note down your homework. Revise exercise 3.3 with example. Note down your homework. Revise exercise 3.3 complete with example. And learn all the formulas. Correct? Thank you.